How's it going, y'all? Justin Mitchell here at the beautiful MarineMax Dallas. I'm hanging out in front of this stunning XT24. Let's go check it out. As the standard, the XT24 has a lot going on back here. From that award-winning Surf Star system to this awesome swim step to make it for you and your furry friends to get in and out of the water a little bit easier, to everything up here to making it a nice comfortable seat, to even having control of your radio right there with cup holders both up there and down here in the swim platform. The party's always happening back here at the back of an XT24. From the cool touch vinyl to all these rear-facing seats, paired with that award-winning Klipsch sound system, everyone in the boat is going to be able to enjoy all of the sights, sounds, and craziness happening behind the boat as you guys are hanging out. New for 2025, we have revamped the XT Dash with one large screen, giving you lots of space to put all your stuff and making it very easy to find all of the controls. We also added the command dial to make it easy for while you're moving, you're not accidentally pushing the wrong button. The XT is designed to entertain. With a nice step coming up through the walkthrough and then a nice step down onto the V-drive, you never have to be putting pressure on any of your vinyl, making it really easy for you and your friends to go in and out of the water to go for as many sets as you can. My name's Justin Mitchell here at MarineMax Dallas. Come check out this XT24 and let's go on a demo.